How to make this cute origami clover for St. Patrick's Day or just to say I love you. I started with 4 squares. Size doesn't matter, obviously the bigger the square the bigger the clover, but just as long as they're 4 perfect squares. Start by folding in half and then in half again so it splits it in 4. And then take one side and fold it up to meet the middle, and you can see that I take a lot of time doing this just to make sure it's perfect. From there we're going to flip it over and we fold up to meet in the middle, and then same at the other side, just like should look like a triangle. Okay, this bit looks the trickiest, but it is easier to do than it looks. So you're going to fold the top down to meet at the bottom of the triangle, and I just lined it up so that the line that you've created when you folded it in half, like it should all be lining up. But yeah, you can see that you've got, like, it doesn't fold over, you've got these wee extra bits. And just look carefully at what we do with like the folds. I think it's easier to look at than to hear me explaining. Fold each of the little bits in to make 2 small triangles at the top. And then fold them over to meet at the edge. They look like little hearts, and you're going to fold that extra paper at the side in. Repeat this another 3 times. You can see I done it in 2 darker and 2 lighter just because I liked how that looked, but it's completely up to you. And then they just slide together. I realised the flaps at the back were a little bit annoying, so I just added some glue. And then you can add little knots inside, or I've seen people add in like little tiny little like small sweets and different bits like that. Let me know if you make it, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!